Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Tim and I'm here with Christy, Livia, and Brandon, and we're going to be shooting a pretty cool fashion video. Alright, so Livia and I had an argument about what is like the better fashion style for like casual style. So I was just like, you know, casually speaking, everyone likes hype style. If you got like a really hype style, anything that kind of looks like, you know, Jordan, Off-White, any of that kind of stuff, you're good. So then Livia was just kind of like, okay, Tim, you have it right. Just teach me your way, Tim. She was begging on her knees. She was like,
No. That's exactly not what happened. Okay, so let me tell you guys what exactly happened. He was on his knees and he was totally begging me, please, I have no girlfriends, I really have no idea how to dress, and it's like, please.
This guy definitely has no swag.
Okay. Anyways, guys, you know the premise. They're gonna dress us up, we're gonna dress them up, and see what happens. You guys ready? Let's go. Alright guys, so we got all the clothes right here. Cue dope music in 3, 2, 1. Let go.
Call me yellow demon, always creeping on the avenue. Call like hello, screaming in the mic like what the fuck is new? I'm that jello needing window peeping kid who spit the truth. Who don't meddle with the metal, cause the camera all I shoot. Call me yellow demon, always creeping on the avenue. Call like hello, screaming in the mic like what the fuck is new? I'm that jello needing window peeping kid who spit the truth. Who don't meddle with the metal, cause the camera all I shoot. Draped in black, my skin yellow, bring it back to 2010, how you been? I've been at it, I just need to get it in. I see them tryna end this, but you need like 20 men. They got 10, sleep till 10. My whole camp all live in tens. Tuck on string like she a banjo, then she leave, I gave a fuck. With my hand out, that's a man down, I stand up like what the fuck. Took a month just to fix that shit, now I'll be back on track. That was 16, this time I'ma finish, just know that's a fact. Need some racks on racks on racks. Why they look like they got waxed? Let that shit stay in the past and I go get myself a pack, yeah. Sit brown till I'm numb. This don't make shit fun. Let's just make shit dumb. Icing on my gums. One day copping some. Her name might be Julie. Don't know, keep it moving. Got snacks like I'm Scooby. Get stoned eyes like rubies. Long talking jacuzzis, yo. I keep making lists. Write down, don't do shit. Act like living dead. Too much in my head. Nothing said. Call me yellow demon. Always creeping on the avenue. Call like hello, screaming in the mic like what the fuck is new? I'm that jello needing window peeping kid who spit the truth. Call me yellow demon, always creeping on the avenue. Call like hello, screaming in the mic like what the fuck is new? I'm that jello needing window peeping kid who spit the truth. Who don't meddle with the metal, cause the camera all I shoot.
And that's the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think we can all agree that hype fashion is way better, right?
Well, fine,
I guess.
What did you think about their style?
I think I can get used to this actually.
All right, you guys pick which fit you guys like in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for being in the video. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye.
Bye.